Did you know jumping exercises can make your bones as strong as steel? Watch how Plyometrics transforms your skeleton. High-impact training through jumping exercises triggers your body to build denser, stronger bones naturally. Each time you land from a jump, microscopic stress signals tell your bones to fortify themselves. Track your progress by measuring your vertical jump height. As it increases, so does your bone strength. A simple wall marker or jump test app can show your weekly improvements. For optimal results, proper nutrition is crucial. Your body needs adequate calcium and vitamin 500 to support new bone growth from plyometric training. If you're following a restricted diet, like being vegan or lactose intolerant, consider supplements or alternative calcium sources, such as fortified plant milk or leafy greens. Regular plyometric sessions, combined with proper nutrition, can increase bone density by up to 20% in just 6 months. Drop a comment with your favorite jumping exercise. Does box jump or jump squat work better for you?